here. 2200 this yard. 2200 this yard, silly. 2200. 22 it is. 2200. Hitting.
Chris Paterson here. We've reported on our fortnightly store cattle sale at TRLX. It was the first of our big weaner sales today. A bit over 4,000 calves here, and cows and calves and cows as well, but over 4,000 cattle. Still selling the cows and calves and cows to go, but we've sold the steers. Very strong market again. Some good yielding cattle there, more of the feedlot sort of cattle, making that in that $2,400 bracket.
Okay, Ferris cows, they make that 2,100. 2,100 go up on the blacks. 2,100. $2,100 it is. 2120. 2140. 2140. 2140. Take your small ones. 2140. Hold on, 2140. Bidding. Nutrient scone. No number, Davey? No number. I sell the 4 red bars, 4 red cars are now for you. Okay, play, make 2,050 there. 2,050. 1950 up top. 1960. 80. 2,000. 20. 2,040. 2,040. 2,000, my man in front.
But our best of our weaners come off the Higgins family of Nandle today. Good black bally calves, made 24.10 for 2 yards. So that's the first of those really the cold country calves coming in. So yeah, 24.10, very strong, very happy there. But a lot of good calves making in that $2,100 bracket. So yeah, it was, I'd say, as everyone knows, it hits that level. Everyone seems to be keen enough to pay those sort of prices now. So not many light calves, but a few light steers there today, making that 1,800 to 2,000.
both cars, 40, 360, 2380, 400, 2400 take your 10 now. 2400, both cars 10, 2410, 2410 bid, both yards up. 2410, hold on, 2410, bidding.
Moving on to the heifers, there's a few unjoined heifers there today, made $2,300. Yeah, good black boys and Herefords. The best of the weaner heifers was probably about $2,150. A lot of good weaner heifers are making it $2,000 to $2,100 though, and a few lighter cars making it $1,600 to $1,900. But yeah, very strong market. All quoted all pretty much the same as it was there 2 weeks ago. Hit a good level. We'll be back here again in 2 weeks' time with some nice cars again. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?